Is your Skytech Fireplace Remote Model 3003 display not working like mine was? Well, I'll tell you a story. I replaced the batteries with Duracell, brand new, tested them on my meter, and they were up to snuff, and the display still wasn't working. So I phoned the manufacturer, and they told me to change the brand from anything from Duracell or Kirkland, and it should work. I thought this was a little strange, a kind of a fix, and maybe they're just brushing me aside. I decided to give it a try, went down and bought some Panasonic batteries, and away it went. What an easy fix. I could have thrown the remote away and got a new one, period.